कैप्चर कार्ड मादी लाइव कैप्चर कार्ड मादी लैपटॉप गवर्नमेंट మీరే ఉన్నది ఓన్లీ మేడం హైలైట్ ఇస్తాను రెడీ లక్ష్మణ్ గుర్తున్నావా లైవ్ లక్ష్మణ్
Now this is the end of our 2-day national conference on emerging trends in chemical synthesis. Now I invite our guest of chief guest of this valedictory function, Dr. B. Nagendra Babu sir, Principal Scientist, IISc Hyderabad, to come on to the dance. Ms. Nagendra will present the program. Now I request the president of this function, Professor M. Ravinder, Registrar Chaitanya Deep, to request the Ms. Pratisha will present the program. Dean Faculty of Science, Chaitanya Deep, to be able to comment. Now, I request President of this function, Dr. Ravinder, to carry on the program.
Hello. Good afternoon, and I request our Dean Administrator Professor Ravinder, please give his message in this valedictory. Thank you.
Guest of Professor Rajendra, Dean Faculty of Science, Leader Professor S. Kavita, Dean Administration, Organizing Secretary Dr. B. Srinivas, and eminent professors, academicians, research scholars, student heads, good evening, one and all. The first national conference conducted in Hyderabad campus, the Department of Chemistry. I congratulate the Department of Chemistry, all the faculty, students, people, and non-teaching staff successfully conducted this conference. Thank you, one and all.
I request Professor Sundaram sir, Dean Faculty of Science, please give his speech.
Respected delegates on the dais and off the dais, research scholars, my dear student mates. At the very outset, I would like to congratulate our chemistry department for this organizing this mega event for the last 2 days. Even though it ended in 2 days, they had 2 months of background work, especially we have observed Mr. Ravindra sir and Srinivas with his teammates. For the last 2.5 months, they are just coming to Hyderabad and confirming the participants going to Ireland. And especially Rasmus Moisar, he is very busy in collecting the abstracts. It is a great thing to learn that almost 107 abstracts were obtained by the convener. So, I wholeheartedly appreciate the efforts made by the chemistry department, and of course, the person behind this seminar, Dr. Purushottam Reddy sir, for giving an opportunity to conclude this type of event. I wish you all success. Thank you.
Now I request Professor Janardhan, please.
Good afternoon to all of you. The dignitaries on the dais, President of this program, Professor M. Ravindra, Chief Guest, Nagarjuna Babu sir, and all the faculty members on the dais and off the dais, and my dear student friends, and the embassy students, and all the members who are present here. A very good afternoon to all of you. I am very happy that I was involved in this 2 days national conference on emerging trends in chemical synthesis. The 2 days went very nicely, and the organizing committee members have selected the topics, which starting from the Ramachari, who is a well-known organic chemist. He has explained a very nice lecture on the organic transformations. Then we were having a Ravindra from NCL, Dr. Ravindra from NCL Pune. He has explained about the CH activation of the reaction, then followed by my lecture. Unfortunately, I missed today one lecture by eminent scientist Dr. Nagarjuna Babu sir. And finally, we had a very good lecture by Pawan Kumar sir on IPR, the intellectual property rights, how to file the patents and all those things. What type of patents are there? That was wonderful, and it will be useful for all of us. And it is like our duty to protect our IPR patent as in the form of a patent, as Sir has mentioned. And it is because of the organizing committee member who has worked for this for almost month or 2 months. The background work is essentially required. We also conducted an international conference in IIT Calicut. It took us almost a 3 to 4 months time. Even I have conducted myself a faculty development program, FDP, that is an online program. Still, it required too much effort. And I congratulate all the the organizing committee member, faculty member, especially Dr. Amarnath and Dr. Srinivasa has contacted me to attend this program, and I was very happy that I can explore my synthesis abilities and their biological applications, so that at least out of a 50 or 60 student, at least one student, if they can motivate, that will be a good, it may be useful for their future. That's what I thought I came here. And the organizing committee member has given a very wonderful, the hospitality in terms of food and picking up from the airport and from the hotel to here, and that was wonderful. And it makes us to improve ourselves, and in the next time definitely we ourselves will going to improve to the extent of a faculty member which are a highly motivated faculty member. And once again, I thank the organizing committee member for giving me a wonderful opportunity to speak on this 2 days conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you. May I request our sir? Please.
So good afternoon all. Thank you very much. I'm really happy to be part of your program. I understand the kind of efforts that have gone in organizing such a wonderful event. Yesterday, speaker Dr. Ravindra called me, my good friend, and he was telling Pawan, I think today half was half, but people are telling tomorrow half will be full. So we could notice today's morning session hall was full. After lunch, anyway, people will be having different things, and I really appreciate the patience of the participants. As a speaker, we are on this side, whatever we wish we can speak. But listeners, pain also we need to understand. Listening for 2 days continuously is a great patience that is required. So my first appreciation goes to all the participants. And then organizers. Unless they put their heart in organizing such a program will not see the success. I think this is one such kind of a program where I have seen a great success in all respects, starting from the communication they made, the way they made it, and I was also going through the abstracts. I was thinking I am the only person from Odisha representing in this conference. Now I could notice that there is one more representation from NIT Rourkela. Someone has submitted an abstract. And by this program, I could make new networks, new connects. Now I know Dr. Ravindra, Dr. Srinivas, and many other faculties, and Dr. Janardhan. These kind of programs will always help us to improve ourselves. And my message is, all learning is like a continuous activity, whether you are a student or a faculty, whoever it may be, keep learning something new all the time. So with this, thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I request Professor Eskarta ma'am, please present the report about this 2 days field conference.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. So yesterday we have completed 5 lectures in 2 days. Yesterday the lecture 1 was started with a very eminent person, that is B. Ramachari sir from School of Chemistry, University of Hyderabad, who spoke on discovery of new catalytic reactions for sustainable future. So this lecture was so informative, and that has been related to our daily activities with the chemistry, and the people who have attended this seminar, I think they have learned a lot, which we had a tradition. That tradition has got a science in that. That has been given from Ramacharya's lecture. So wonderful lecture we had, and our students have gained a lot of knowledge from that, and we are happy to have Ramacharya sir as one of the speakers in our university. And the second lecture was given by Dr. Ravindra Gautam, Principal Scientist CSR, Associate Professor, and Division of Organic Chemistry CSR. And the topic which was given was chemistry of pi activation, unlocking the synthetic potential of alkynes as carbonyl surrogates. Surrogates, it's a different topic which is given here. The word surrogate, that means we could learn a lot from all these scientists. This word we have, I heard this word yesterday only, that we can put this word in chemistry, we could recognize it yesterday. So such things we can learn a lot from such kind of conferences and seminars. So attending seminars is very, very important to have knowledge, because the people who are coming are bank of knowledge which is deposited in them, and we are going to draw that knowledge in seminars and conferences. So we have learned a lot from this, where we have, he has given about the carbonyl surrogates, where we can produce carbonyl compounds by different concepts of reactions, which we have learned. There are a number of reactions where we can produce carbonyl surrogates. Thank you to, I thank him a lot for giving such kind of innovative seminar, lecture on this occasion. And Dr. Janardhan Balanku sir, Department of Chemistry, National Institute of Technology, Calicut. So this talk is on recent advancements in the synthesis and biological applications of heterocyclic small molecules. So he has spoke about the cancer and the other how potent towards the cancer activity, how to recognize that, and has given up to molecular. So we could learn a lot from this lecture yesterday. And Dr. T. Pawan Kumar sir, very active senior scientist, chemistry, IPR, and CSIR, Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, and Bhubaneswar. He has come from Bhubaneswar. So we are very thankful, sir. You have traveled a lot to attend our conference, and moreover, as I think he has got teaching skills in the previous years, so he could recognize the students and he could motivate the students, and through his lecture, how to make them interest towards the subject. Because IPR means generally most of the students doesn't have the knowledge, even we doesn't have the complete knowledge of IPR, we could accept it. So we learned a lot that how it is important, how to make it, how the knowledge can be converted to economy. That is very important. And we have a paper of intellectual property rights in our MSc syllabus, sir. So that this lecture will help them a lot to learn. That's the reason why I asked about the PowerPoint presentation, so that when a demonstration is given to the students in our classes, that's more helpful for them to have examples, how to correlate the examples in the related topic. Thank you very much, sir. And Dr. Batik Nagarendra Babu sir, I know very well in the last few years back, I met him now. We came to Hyderabad, I think, to meet Dr. B. Nagarendra Babu sir as a in the form of a speaker. As we met him as an examiner a few years back, now he is a speaker, now he is working in IICT Hyderabad. And the title of his topic is Concomitant Research to Develop Synthetic Organic Medicine Chemistry for Crop Protection and Human Health Care. That is completely crop protection, where he focused on what is it? Pheromones. It's a very important topic, pheromones, which is very useful in, which is interdisciplinary, I can say, that it is connected to agriculture and it is connected to biotechnology and it's also connected to chemistry. So a very interesting topic. Once I heard in biotechnology seminar, and now I could see this in chemistry also. So it's a very interesting, and if anybody has any interest towards such kind of research, we can contact sir. We get any kind of doubts related to pheromones. I hope sir will extend his help towards us. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us in conducting this seminar and making it a grand success. Now, not only these points, all the speakers who have come from various places, I request them to extend their cooperation in coming future times, because this is we are budding. This is a budding university, you can say, and we are budding supervisors, where we need your help for any kind, that is either we may not have sufficient facilities in our university now itself. It takes time to develop our university in all means. So we hope such kind of cooperation will be there in future in you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam, for your detailed report about today's seminar. Now I request our chief guest of today's bilateral function, Dr. B. Rao, please share his views on this seminar.
Good afternoon, all of you once again. Thank you, Ravi. We are, put me on, very high stage. Okay. Just to analyze, we were actually Ravinder and myself were roommates in our masters. So we have a lot of intimacy. So that before conducting this seminar, today's seminar, we contacted me for inquiring about the speakers, and we used to discuss a lot of other things and so thanks for goes to Dr. Ravinder. Yeah, Dr. Sundar and Raju and Kavita madam. Then Srinivas used to contact me regarding the speakers and all. Coming back to this today's symposium, emerging trends in chemical synthesis. It's well structured, I can say, and the first speaker is really as mentioned by Kavita madam. So he is all-rounder in organic synthesis, and there are few reactions that is made, like DP, Ramachari reactions. How we studied like Clemmensen reduction or other oxidation reactions. Like that is popular. Maybe it's there in textbooks also. So that kind of speakers were identified for this conference, so that you may be enlightened most of the catalytic reactions and those things. And other speaker also Ravinder, who did PhD from ICT and having a lot of postdoc experience, and then is getting a lot of prominence in organic synthesis, publishing good quality work and all. So that all is all the speakers are identified like with their expertise, which can be influence your thought process, so that you will get the you can select your future. It may be direct application, it may not be a direct application, but this experience will be useful for in any direction in your future. Maybe it's maybe it is in a professional life or personal life. As Dr. Pawan showed some pictures like one innovation that mobile washing machine, like girl, simple, around us, as he mentioned, maybe we are knowingly or unknowingly, our thoughts are like 40,000 to 60,000 is good. That's also first time I was experience. So that, that many thoughts, when it is, running technology development. Okay. And since the COVID, teached us a lot of things. Okay, how to live and how to use our environment judiciously. All those things COVID was having a good experience. And that 2 years it went into the all online classes, online symposiums, this is going on. But the difference between online exposure, in-person exposure, entirely different. I can say that here in person, when we met, a lot of things will be shared, discussed. Okay, in person we get a lot of connections. Like as you mentioned, he's from Bhubaneswar, one from Pune, one from Elgin. So all these pool of scientists and different cultures can be seen on one platform. So this is a good opportunity. And good or bad, you already selected your path. Okay. Whatever your ambition, whatever your path is there, you go with your full enthusiasm or what I